kind of the roots of the communication matrix, I was actually trying to build out a better customer experience for my onboarding individuals. And I had a person who signed up for a trial and then on the fourth day became a customer. Well, that means they don't need the last 4 or 5 emails in the trialing experience, but those are automatically happening. And I realized that I needed a better way to move them from experience to experience. But in that case, they still needed to get the onboarding emails, but I didn't need the, oh, don't forget to subscribe emails, right? So this is kind of where routines came from. But now I can pin these to important dates, like the birth date. And in that example, it was trial date, subscription date. And I can set them to before that date or after that date. And so this is how you can build out 4 days before you're going to send a little reminder. And you don't have to do all this antiquated math.